Hey guys, Caitlin back. So, it's finally happened. My cat had the little ones. Just a minute. So, yeah, just a minute. God. No. Okay, there. I'm going to see the little one. There they are. Oh, hi, you guys. I'm using camera, guys, so you guys can see, actually. But, sorry if I do not pick one up. They are raided for fleas. Here. Wait, just a minute. This is Sassy. Okay. Little foot. Alright, so I'm just gonna stop this here. Sorry if I have not recorded in a while, guys. Yeah, I was grounded. So, see you guys later.